Eldoria, a village shrouded in mist and mystery. It clung to the very edge of the Great Divide, a treacherous chasm that marked the end of the known world. Beyond it lay the unknown realms, lands spoken of only in hushed whispers. For centuries, the village lived in peace, protected, safe. The reason? The Guardian's flame. It blazed atop the Elder's Peak, a beacon against the darkness, a symbol of hope, a promise of safety. The villagers lived their lives under its warm glow. They farmed the land, raised families and told stories. Stories of the Guardian's flame and its eternal protection. A comfort passed down through generations, but nothing lasts forever. One fateful night, a shiver ran down the spines of the villagers. The air grew heavy. The wind howled. Panic filled their hearts. The Guardian's flame, their beacon, their protector, flickered. It waned. Then, with a gut-wrenching groan, it vanished. Darkness seeped in from the Great Divide. It crept and crawled, a living entity hungry for fear. The villagers trembled. Their protector was gone, their hope extinguished. The unknown realms, with all their terrors, were now at their doorstep. But even in the darkest hour, courage finds a way. A young warrior named Kaelen refused to give in to despair. He had seen fear in the eyes of his people. He felt the chill of encroaching darkness. He knew he had to act. Kaelen, filled with a determination that belied his young age, vowed to reignite the Guardian's flame. He would face the unknown. He would be their shield. He would be their hope. The village elders, their faces etched with worry, gathered around Kaelen. They spoke of an ancient relic, the Emberstone, a stone imbued with a spark of the Guardian's flame, the only hope to reignite the beacon. The catch? The Emberstone lay hidden in the Hollow Vale, a place shrouded in ancient magic, guarded by beings of immense power, a place from where few returned. Those that did rarely spoke of it. Kaelen didn't hesitate. He knew the risks. He had seen the fear in the eyes of the elders. He had felt the despair creeping through the village. He knew he was their only hope. Armed with his father's sword and the blessings of the elders, Kaelen ventured into the Great Divide. His heart throbbed with purpose. His mind raced with determination. He was their champion. He would bring back the light. The path was fraught with peril. Creatures of darkness, sensing the absence of the Guardian's flame, emerged from the shadows. Kaelen fought with courage and skill. His resolve, fueled by the hope he carried, never wavered. He arrived at the Hollow Vale. An ethereal silence hung heavy in the air. Before him stood the Guardian of the Vale, a fearsome creature, its eyes burning with ancient fire. The battle was fierce. Kaelen fought with all his might, but the Guardian was powerful. It seemed as though all hope was lost. Kaelen felt his strength fading. Suddenly he heard them, whispers at first, then rising to a crescendo. The spirits of warriors past, those who had fallen protecting Eldoria, emerged from the depths of the Vale. They lent him their strength, their courage, their hope. Invigorated, Kaelen fought with renewed fury. He struck a decisive blow. The Guardian of the Vale vanquished. He had the Emberstone. Kaelen returned to Eldoria bearing the Emberstone. The villagers cheered. Their hero had returned. He climbed the Elder's Peak, the weight of their hope on his shoulders. He touched the Emberstone to the extinguished brazier. The Guardian's flame roared back to life, brighter than ever. The darkness receded. Hope returned. Kaelen's name was etched into the village's heart. The legend of Kaelen, the Guardian of Eldoria, was born.